Dear students, I am going to discuss very important problems in the time and work. These are very useful for GATE, engineering service and SSC, civil service and also all the state service exams. And reasoning aptitude concepts are important for every chapter. Those knowing concept shortcuts, they can easy to understand. Now, it's one of the most repeated chapter, time and work. We'll see the few concepts. Your most important, less and more concept. 5 men can do the work 10 days. 10 men can do the work less days. What I am writing? Less by more. Less by more by less. Concepts are very important. Into 10 is equal to not 10 men, 10 days. Wherever more people, less days. Wherever less people, more days. This throughout the chapter, less and more, one of the most important. I do not expect any kind of formulas in the case of aptitude chapter. See, I am not writing the answer. We can go for 5 days. I am explaining what is the reason of writing less. Because more people. If it is less people, more days. If it is less people, what you are writing? Numerator more, denominator less. And where they are giving problems like this. A is equal to 15 days. B is equal to 10 days. So A can do the work 10 days. A can do the work 15 days. Wherever days given, convert into 1 day. See, A 1 day work, 1 by 15. B 1 day work, 1 by 10. 1 by 10 greater than 1 by 15. Who is doing more work? B doing more work. So every problem, wherever days given, convert into 1 day. Wherever hours given, convert into 1 hour. Wherever minutes given, convert into 1 minute. Comparison maximum 4 members. Maximum 4 members. They never give more than 4 members. Sometimes they may give different names X, Y, Z. Sometimes A, B, C, D. So where days given, convert into 1 day. Wherever hours given, convert into 1 hour. Wherever minutes given, convert into 1 minute. So now I am coming to very first problem. And we are going to see very simple shortcut methods. So very first problem. So one of the repeated problems, we are going to see very simple shortcut methods. See, competitive examination, we can go for maximum 3 minutes, but we can do less than 1 minute. 3 men or 4 women, wherever are given, very important. Wherever are given, you read properly. 3 men or 4 women can construct a wall in 43 days. The number of days of that 7 men and 5 men. Here they given and given. They given or given. Or is different. And is different. Here meaning of and is equal. Men and women both together. Meaning of or is equal. Both are individually. 7 men, 5 men. Take to construct it is number of days. You read the problem. And we are going to see very simple shortcut method. First condition or, second condition and. So I am explaining directly shortcut method. It is revision for your GATE exam, your ES exam, if you go for any competitive examination. But same time, your concepts are very important. So after knowing of concepts, revision part important. Three men. "43 days. 3 men, 43 days. 4 women, 43 days. The given condition 3 men or 4 women. That is the individual capacity. What they want to find out? 7 men plus. What is the reason of writing plus? They given both together. It is given problem. 3 men 43 days, 4 women 43, 7 men plus 5 men. Generally, people can go for conversion of women capacity or conversion of men capacity. But here, simple shortcut method to go for objective, competitive examination. See all of you. 3 into 4 into 43. What is the meaning of 3 into 4 into 43? This will be 3, this will be 4 into 43. Denominator very important. Now, this will be 3 men. We are multiplying men into men. 3 into 5. Again, men into men. 4 into 7. That's all. See all of you numerator. 3 into 4 into 43. Denominator, men into women multiply. Again, men into women multiply. Now this will be dividing by 43. That's all. 12 days. According to our multiple choice, his answer can take less than 1 minute. You are explaining shortcut method to easy to understand. Revision of the all your exams. Numerator 3 into 4 into 43. Denominator men into men. Again, men into men. 43 cancel. That is called 12 days. I think all of you clear. It's very simple shortcut method. Now coming to second problem. So problem reading very important. Those reading problem twice and twice, they can go for maximum 2 or 3 steps. Less than 1 minute. 15 men would finish a piece of work 210 days. 15 men capacity 210 days to complete the work. But at the end of every 10 days, 15 additional men are employed. At the end of every 10 days, 15 men are increasing. Every 10 days, 15 men. In how many days will it be finishing? So I told you just now, you convert into 1 day work. I'm reading once again, you also read along with me. 15 men would finish a piece of work in 210 days. At the end of every 10 days, 15 additional men are employed. In how many days it will be finishing? It is also less than 1 minute. See, before writing of shortcut method, student must know the clarity of the concepts. See, first of all, I am writing 1 day work. 15 men, 1 day work. What you can see, 1 dividing by 210. Directly writing 1 by 210, nothing wrong. That is a 1 day work. Now 10 days work. $10 days work, 10 dividing by 210. That is called 10 days work. 1 day work 1 by 210. 10 days work by cancellation of 0, we are getting 1 by 21. And one more thing, if you are writing directly 10 days work, nothing wrong. But also waste of the time writing first step. For next 10 days, For next to 10 days, 15 plus 15. What you can say? 30 men. Every 10 days, 15 additional men are employed. For next to 10 days, work will be. Just I am writing little bit, 2 more steps additionally. So 1 by 21, 15 men. Again 1 by 21, 2 by 21. For next to 10 days work will be 1 by 21 plus 1 by 21, 2 by 21. 1 day work, 10 days work. For next to 10 days, additional men, 15 members. For next to 10 days, work will be 2 by 21. See, we have to complete total work. To complete total work, we have to get 21 by 21. Why 21 by 21? To have complete work. To have complete work. To complete whole work. We have to get 21 by 21. This is getting clarity. I am writing properly. 21 by 21. What is the meaning of 21 by 21? Total work is equal to 1. For complete total work or whole work, we have to get 21 by 21. See that? First to 10 days, 1 by 21. Next to 10 days, 2 by 21. Next to 10 days, 3 by 21. Next to 10 days, 4 by 21. For next to 10 days, 5 by 21. Next to 10 days, 6 by 21. This is the numerator 21, denominator 21. What is the meaning of 21 by 21? Is equal total work. See, once again I am repeating, 1 day work, 10 days work. See, without writing all this also, of writing of next to 10 days work, if you are writing directly, nothing wrong. See, first to 10 days, next to 10 days, next to 10 days, total how many days? 60 days. That's all. 2 dividing by 21. I think all of you clear. See, once again I am repeating. 15 men 1 day work. 10 days work, 1 by 21. For next to 10 days, total men, 30 men. For next to 10 days, 2 dividing by 21 work. To complete whole work, we have to get 21 by 21. So first to 10 days, next to 10 days, next to 10 days, we are getting of 60 days. This is according to our multiple choice, 60 days. See his answer. I think it will all be clear. See, one more thing. Once you have more clarity on the concepts, after completion of 2 by 21, if you are writing directly 60 days, nothing wrong. Because sigma n, sigma 6 is equal to 21. Once you are completed 2 by 21, without writing all this, you may go for it directly 21 by 21. I think all of it clear. So third problem. Here every problem is important. And especially time and work, time and distance. They given so many times different competitive examination. See all of you, A and B can complete a work in 12 days and 18 days. A begins the work and they work alternate. Alternate is one of the most repeated problems. Alternate, who is beginning? A beginning. A begins to do the work. They work alternately, one at a time for 1 day each. The whole work will be completed dash days. Very simple shortcut method. What is the A capacity? 12 days. B capacity 18 days. They are doing alternative. Begin with A. Sometimes begin with B. See, alternative, they have to give it. It may begin with A or begin with B. So if you go for actual method, more time taking. Writing short method, less than 1 minute. Problem reading important. See, once reading twice and twice, we can go for direct answers. I think it will all be clear. Please read once again. A 12 days, B 18 days. For both of them, 36 LCM. Both of them LCM 36. LCM of 12, 18. I am writing short method to go for objective oriented. 12 into 3, 18 into 2. LCM for 12, 18. See, actually this is A doing first day, B doing second day. That is called alternative. What they given? Begin with A given. Begin with A. First day work 1 by 12. Second day work 1 by 18. Third day work 1 by 12. Fourth day work 1 by 18. That is the method. But examination, less time, we cannot write all this. That's why there is some alternative methods. That alternative methods you have to learn from senior teachers. Then probability of more success. See now, first day, second day. It is the 2 days. 2 days, 5 units work. What is the meaning of 5 units? 3 plus 2. First day, second day, 2 days. Practically, A first day work 1 by 12. B second day work 1 by 18. But we are writing short method. 2 days, 5 units. You concentrate on 36. How to get 36? How to get 36? Multiplying 7. Very near to 36. If you are multiplying 7, you are also multiplying 7. 14 days completed. Your 35 units completed. That's all. What is the reason of multiplying 7? Very near to 36. Suppose there is a 40 multiplying 8. Depend upon the given LCM, go for very near. Sometimes may be accurate, nothing wrong. 35 units completed. Total work 36 unit. Still how much unit work? 1 unit. 36 minus 35, 1 unit. This 1 unit, who is doing? A doing 1 unit by 3 units. Unit cancel. 1 by 3 days. 14 plus 1 by 3. What is the 14 plus 1 by 3? B part answer. That's all. If you are writing directly B, nothing wrong. If you are writing directly B is answer. Objective, no question of asking. This for reference, I am writing one more step. 36 minus 35. That is called 1 unit. Now begin with A. 1 unit by 3 unit. That is 1 by 3 days. Numerator 1 unit. Denominator 3 units. 1 by 3 days. Why A? Begin with A. Now 14 plus 1 by 3 days. That's all. Suppose begin with B given. That is 1 unit by 2 unit, 1 by 2, 14 plus 1 by 2. Your most important, concentrate very near to multiply. Sometimes multiplying 7, multiplying 8, multiplying 9, whatever possibility. So according to our multiple choice, we are writing 14 plus 1 by 3. So generally people can go like this. A 1 day work, B 1 day work, Practically, people can go by like this. A, first day work. B, second day work. Alternative. First day work, second day work, third day work, fourth day work. But time taking. But examination, we cannot write all this one. That's why there is some shortcut method every chapter. Those knowing proper shortcut method, proper concept, probability of success for any competitive examination. So every problem, once you know, method is same thing, different answers. Sometimes A, B, C, sometimes X, Y, Z, sometimes 2 members, sometimes 3 members. They may give 3 members also. So 2 days, 5 minutes, multiplying 7, very near to 36, 35 minutes. Still there is 1 unit by 3 units, 1 by 3 days, 14 plus 1 by 3 B part. Practical method, first day work, second day work, third day work, fourth day work, time taking. I think you'll all be clear. Coming to fourth problem, and I'm requesting you also read the problem. ABC can do a piece of work in 20 days, 30 days, 60 days. A capacity 20 days, B 30 days, C 60 days respectively. In how many days can A do the work? A do the work. If he is assisted by B and C on every third day, A is assisted by B and C every third day. Every third day, all 3 of them together. On every third day, A is helping to B and C. Meaning of helping, on every third day, A, B, C together. Very simple shortcut method. See, A is capacity 20 days, B capacity 30 days, C 60 days. In how many days can A do the work? If he is assisted by B and C on every third day. Problem reading very important. Those reading properly, they can understand proper concepts. Writing answer, objective, according to our convenience. Finally, they will see what is the correct answer. They are not going to see what you are writing everything. First, we are coming to A 2 days work. What is the A's 2 days work? 2 into 1 by 20. What is the reason of writing 2 days work? You have to understand. On every third day, A, B, C together. That's why I am finding A 2 days work. A 1 day work 1 by 20. A 2 days work 1 by 10. What is the reason of writing 2 days? On every third day, A assisted by B and C. Now we are coming to third day. A plus B plus C. 1 day work 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 60. So we are getting off 1 dividing by 10. I am writing directly. We are getting 60 LCM 6 by 60 is equal to 1 dividing by 10. Still, if you want it, LCM is 60. 20 into 3 times, 30 into 2 times, 60 into 1 time. 6 dividing by 60 is equal to 1 dividing by 10. That is called LCM 60. 20 into 3, 30 into T. That's what I written 1 dividing by 10. Now, 2 days work, 1 day work. 3 days work. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. 2 by 10. What is the 2 by 10? 1 by 5. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10. 2 by 10. 1 by 5. That is the 3 days work. What is the 1 day work? 1 by 15. Therefore, total work completing in 15 days According to our multiple choice, 15 days, B is the answer. That's all. See the once again. A 2 days work. What is the reason of writing A 2 days? On every third day, A, B, C together. A 1 day work 1 by 20. A 2 days work 2 by 20. Now coming to third day. On third day, all three of them together. I have taken like this. 6 by 60. I have taken 6 dividing by 60. 1 dividing by 10. Now, 2 days plus 1 day, 3 days work, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 10, 1 day work, 1 by 15. What is the total work completing? 15 days. See, any problem you take maximum or less than 1 minute. See, there is no need of writing each and every step. See, once you know more concepts, writing part will be less. That we have to know from the Made platform. See, we are teaching last many years. One problem is so many variations. Finally, which is simple way. To write simple way, we have to know the proper basic concepts to write shortcut methods. I think all be clear. Everybody, finally what is the answer? 15 days. Coming to last problem. In every video, we are giving 4 to 5 problems. These are very useful. At the same time, we can understand minimizing of the given problem in the shortcut way. ABC completed work consisting 1800 rupees. 1800 rupees. A worked for 6 days. B 4 days. C 9 days. This they are working. A 6 days working, B 4 days working, C 9 days working. What they given if their daily wages, daily work, daily wage for 1 day earning. Daily wages are in the ratio of 5:6:4. It is the daily. For every day, A is equal to 5. But A worked for 6 days. 6 into 5. How much amount will be received by A? Very simple shortcut method. They given ratio of the daily. Daily means for 1 day. We are finding for 6 days, finding for 4 days, finding for 9 days. What is my advice? Problem reading. Tomorrow in your exam also, it may be GATE exam or engineering services or any other examination. Reasoning aptitude problems reading important. If you are not reading properly, you cannot get clarity. Those reading twice and twice, if they know the proper basic concept, will be direct answers. So, now I am coming to the very simple way. Ratio of the daily wages. A is equal to 5, B is equal to C is equal to 4. But A worked for 6 days. B worked for 4 days. That's all. With this completed, we are writing objective, not descriptive. While writing objective according to our convenient, what is the meaning of our convenient? Those knowing more concepts, they can go for direct answers. They will see the finally probability of success. So now coming to here. Ratio of ABC, 5 into 6, 30. 6 into 4, 24. 4 into 9, 36. That's all. I think this all of it clear. Reason of writing 30. For 1 day 5, 6 days, 6 into 5. For 1 day 6, 4 days, 4 into 6. For 1 day 4, 9 days, 9 into 4. Ratios of ABC according to their working number of days. Now 6 into 5 times, 6 into 4 times, 6 into 6 times. A is equal, we may write 5 equal parts. B is equal 4 equal parts. C is equal 6 equal parts. See, here total equal parts will be 15. Total equal 15. Now, A's amount 5 dividing by 15, 1800 rupees. 5 into 3 times. I am repeating once again. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 equal parts, 1800 rupees. 15 equal parts. 5 equal parts. 5 by 15 into 1800. Here what you can see. 5 into 1 times. 5 into 3 times. 3 into 1 times 600. So A amount is equal to 600 rupees. According to our multiple choice, D is the answer. Still, refer any kind of numerical textbooks. They will write 5x, 4x, 6x is equal to 15x. 15x is equal to 1800. You have to find out x value. Here what again? 5x by 15x. X cancel. If you are writing x, so do not write x, nothing wrong. There is no need of writing x, not required. If you are writing x, 15x is equal to 1800. X value, we can go for straight away. I think you will all be clear. Everybody, see what I see. Every video we are giving maximum 4 to 5 problems. And every chapter. And one more thing, if you revise all this one, these are very useful. You know many things. Say, according to our experience, we are not teaching for 1 to 2 years. We are teaching last many years for different competitive examinations. And these problems are very useful. See, reasoning aptitude, everybody is intelligent. Intelligence is knowing concepts, doing practice. That is only intelligence. Your intelligence is only hardworking. After knowing of concepts. Without knowing concepts, so if you do practice what I paid, you cannot be clear. I think you'll all be clear. So we'll see in the next video.